Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing your birthday to your following in X. Whether you want to celebrate your special day with those you follow or simply share this personal information, displaying your birthday can create a sense of connection and foster meaningful interactions. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, locate the account icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll see your header picture. Tap on it to open a menu with additional options. Step 5. From the Options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to modify your profile details. Step 6. Within the Edit Profile screen, you'll find the Birthday field. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. In the birthday settings, tap on Month and Day to specify the level of visibility for your birthday. Step 8. From the available options, choose People You Follow to show your birthday exclusively to those you follow. Step 9. After selecting the desired visibility setting, double-check to ensure it reflects your preference. Step 10. Finally, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Thank you for watching our guide on how to show your birthday to your following in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.